Hi, welcome to In and Around Computer. In this video, we are going to see what is the open source software, its types and its benefits. Open source software is any software program whose source code is made available to the public for examination, modification or redistribution. Why this open source software is important means it is the main thing in driving innovation and collaboration. That is how it is achieved means when programmers can share their work and build upon existing projects that promotes a culture of continuous improvement and collective problem solving. So this open source software helps in achieving this. So this open source software is very important. Now we can see the benefits of other benefits of this open source software. That is this open source software is got using reduced cost, that is closed source, that is other than open source softwares are known as closed source software that usually come with high licensing fees. This is not the case for the software with open source licenses, which is typically free software that can be downloaded and used without cost. So this is the main difference between other softwares and the open source software. And next benefit is that it has greater flexibility. That is, because you have access to the open source code in their original programming language, you can customize the open source software to meet your specific needs. So this paves the way to flexibility. And the next thing is the increased innovation, because you can openly modify the software and share your changes with the community. The open source software evolves much faster than the traditional software. So since you share with your community who are using the open source software like you, this evolves that open source software evolves much faster than the traditional closed software. And next, it provides better security, that with an entire community of users and developers scrutinizing and testing the code, that definitely there will be a better chance of finding and fixing the security vulnerabilities quickly. Next is the community and collaboration. Open source software relies on the collective intelligence and contributions of its users. So as a result, the software is well-rounded and broadly applicable. So these are the main benefits of the open source software. Next, we can see the types of open source software. First type is the operating system software, that is the Linux operating system. For example, Debian, CentOS and Red Hat and openSUSE are the probably most known examples of this open source operating systems, which are well known for their stability and security. Android is also another example. These systems are highly customizable, popular among developers and tech enthusiasts. So this is one of the type of open source software, that is the operating systems. And next is the desktop applications, that is from office productivity suites like LibreOffice to the web browsers such as Mozilla Firefox. Open source apps provide powerful alternatives to proprietary options, often with comparable features and functionalities. This is another type of this open source software, that is desktop applications. Next type of open source software is the development tools, that is tools like Git, that is a version control system, and Apache Maven, a project management tool that are essential for developers managing complex software projects. That is, these tools facilitate open collaboration and streamline the coding process, making them indispensable in modern software development. and this is one of the type of open source software. And the last type is the infrastructure components. That is when it comes to servers, network components, and other tools, open source play a role here too. That is tools like Apache web server offer robust alternatives to uh, proprietary counterparts such as Internet Information Services from Microsoft Windows, and these components are crucial for running websites and applications reliably at scale. So these are the four types of open source software. Subscribe to my channel if you feel contented.